Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on VeChain. The past several days, the price of VeChain is moving inside this parallel channel. You can see that we had a bounce here, then we had a nice pump. But again, the price and broke down this support and we had another bounce here, rejection, another rejection here. By the way, this resistance is slightly lower here. We had rejection here, another rejection here, then we had another bounce here, rejection, and now price is once again about to hit the support of this parallel channel. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout, and I was telling you that after the breakout from this wedge, we can expect a very massive pump. And so far, from this low, when last time it was testing the support of the wedge here up till this high, VeChain has pumped almost 506%. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for VeChain that I shared a few hours ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for VeChain that I shared a few hours ago with my members. And that was a bullish Gartley pattern that VeChain has formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this is a complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is slightly geared up from this buying zone, but still moving inside this potential reversal zone. And I'm expecting that soon it will hit the sell target zone here. And before that, we caught another very nice pump. And this move, by the way, I shared a few days ago on 12th of January 2024 with my members. And that was another harmonic bullish reverse guard pattern that VeChain formed on a 1 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. Buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from this buying zone and read the sell targets on here and here as well. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of VeChain. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that after the breakout from this channel, we had a nice pump and the price and almost got rejected by this long-term resistance of 8.5 cents. By the way, went very close to this resistance, but could not hit this resistance and dropped down. Now here it has formed this parallel channel. And for the past several days, it is moving inside this channel. And now again, it is about to hit the support. By the way, the support is approximately at 3.9 cents. And in case of another bounce on the support, it can hit the resistance here at 5.6 cents. And in case of breaking the channel, for example, if we will have a breakdown, then technical target to the downside will be here. That will be approximately at 2.79 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this channel, the technical target will be here. That will be approximately at 7.8 cents. But in my opinion, after the breakout from this channel, the pricing can also move at this long-term resistance of 8.5 cents as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this 8.5 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance here. Back in the month of April 2022, it has been working as a resistance. And before that here, it almost for 2 weeks, it has been working as support here in the month of September 2021. And now if we take a look at the targets for the breakout from these previous patterns, then we have already hit the target for the breakout from this down channel. That target was, by the way, here at the top of the channel at 5.6 cents. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 26 cents to 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.